Package migration in ProGet can be done in a matter of minutes using ProGet's feed importer feature. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use this feature to migrate your packages from Azure DevOps repositories to ProGet. Now, before we start migrating your packages from Azure DevOps, we'll need a personal access token. You can create one by going to Settings, Personal Access Tokens, and add a new token. For the sake of demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and use one that's already been made. Alright, now we can start migrating our packages, and it's really simple. All you need is your Azure DevOps organization name and your personal access token. Alright, now let's switch over to ProGet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to create a new feed, and we can do that by just going to Feeds, and we'll create a new one. Next, we're going to select our package type, and for this example, let's go ahead and select NuGet packages. Now we'll choose our feed type, and because we're migrating from a remote repository, let's go ahead and make a private feed. Let's give it a name, and for this demonstration, we'll call it internal NuGet, and create. Great! Now that our feed's set up, let's go ahead and connect to your Azure DevOps repository. Let's start by importing packages. Then from here, we'll go ahead and download packages from another service. And we'll connect to Azure DevOps. Next, let's enter our organization name and our personal access token from earlier. Nice! Now ProGet makes it really easy to find our NuGet package repository we want to use. So for this example, let's go ahead and use test NuGet as we saw earlier, and confirm the imports. The last thing we'll do is start our import. You did it! Good job on migrating your packages from Azure DevOps to ProGet.